Let's see how to access Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word by looking it up on our device. So currently I have a Windows-based device, and what I can do is click on the Start button or click the Windows key on my keyboard and search for Word, and that should show up right there, Microsoft Word as an installed app on our device. And to open Microsoft Word, I can simply click that, wait for it to load, and now we have Microsoft Word open. In some cases, when we don't have Microsoft Word installed directly on our device, what we can do is access Microsoft Word for the web. And to access that, first you have to go to Microsoft's official website, and then you have to log in using your Microsoft account. And from there, you can access the entire um, options that or applications that Microsoft has. So, for example, Microsoft Word, you can access Microsoft Word through Microsoft's official website. I hope it helped, and I will see you soon.